Hey guys, sorry I'm not with you today. My son is sick, so I am at home. Hoping you guys had a good break. What I wanted to do is I asked you guys to do these questions for homework in your notes, and hopefully these are what you got. For number 3, you guys should have gotten to be hopefully 27.01 miles, 62.8 feet for number 4. You guys can read these for 19 and 20. Now, what I want to do is I noticed that maybe you guys had some problems with 21 and 22. Because I didn't go over exactly how to do that. So what I want to do is just kind of go over it with you guys. So let's jump to 21. So in this case, I have the circumference, and I know circumference is 2 pi r. So I know 56.5 will equal 2 pi r. So what I'm going to do is divide both sides by 2 pi. To find out what my radius is. Once I know what my radius is, then I can find the area. So I'm taking 56.5 and divide it by 2 pi. And when I do that, I get the radius to be basically 9. I got it to be 8.999, but we will round it to 9. Because we're supposed to round to the nearest tenth, so we round up. So I know area is pi r squared. So I'm going to put pi, and then I'm going to do 9 squared. So my area is going to be pi r squared. So I'm going to take pi times 9 squared. And when I do that, I get my area to be 254.46 or 0.5 inches squared. That's what I got for number 21. Hopefully you guys got something similar to that. Just to kind of double check, let's look at 22. So in this case, I know circumference is 2 pi r. So in this case, I know it's 38.3 equals 2 pi r. I'm going to divide both sides by 2 pi. So I'm going to take 38.3 divided by 2 pi. I'm putting 2 and pi in parentheses when I do that. And I got the radius to be 6.1. So then, to find the area, I'm going to get pi times 6.1 squared. And then I do 6.1 squared times pi. And I get my area to be 116.9 centimeters squared. So I'm going to ask Ms. Wrinkle just to pause the video for a second so you guys can look at the next couple questions and try them. And once you guys have an idea of what the answer is, I will show you guys what I got. And this is what I got. I got my radius for number 23 to be about 8 kilometers. And I got my area to be 201.1 kilometers squared. And then for number 24, I got my radius to be 3.6 meters. And then I got my area to be 40.7. What I'm going to ask you guys to do now is I'm going to ask you guys to look at the lesson 1, part 2 notes. And I'm going to ask you guys to try to do questions 1 through 14 over the course of the next 15 minutes. And when you guys are done, I'm going to go over some other types of questions with you guys. Okay? Talk to you soon.